into certain fundamentals, not going to the depth, because that can be got even from a textbook. So this any perimeter is based on the principle of differential light sensitivity. What does that mean? That if you have, when you see the sky at night, you see the stars, and the same stars you are not able to see during daylight. Why? Because the background illumination is so high that you are not able to see the stars. So similarly, what in a perimeter you have a dull background illumination, and on super added on that is your stimulus. The stimulus intensity will always be little more than the background illumination, and this is the basis of the test. Plus, you cannot compare one test from the other in different machines. Why? Because the background illumination of all the machines is not the same. All right. So again, we have a huge field, but however, most of the times we check only the central fields. Why? Because whatever affects the peripheral field also affects the central field. So that's why most of the times we check the central fields. What decibels? You all know that when you see a printout, you find the values are in decibels. Apostolbs is the value of, is the measure of the intensity of light. Like how currency, like a dollar, rupee is the currency. Similarly, apostolbs are the currency for the intensity of light. However, they are converted into decibels because it's easier to express them as decibels, and that's the reason we find the intensity of light is expressed in terms of decibels. For example, if I were to have $1, I would see how much apples I can buy with $1, and the intensity of that place is expressed in the form of apples and not in the form of dollars. And this is another reason why you cannot compare the two printout. Like you cannot compare octopus to Humphrey, you cannot compare a Medmont to Humphrey, because none of the machines express intensity in apostolbs. They all express it in decibels. Remember, less is more. Lower the decibel, brighter is the stimulus. So if you have a stimulus which says 32 decibels, it is dimmer as compared to a stimulus which is of 15 decibels. That is what you have to remember. Threshold is the intensity of the light seen 50% of the times. So if there was a stimulus which was presented at a particular visual area, 50% of the times, if the threshold is 32 decibels, that means 50% of the times you will see it and 50% you will not see it. And depending upon the threshold, we also have values which are supra threshold, means higher, the intensity of light is higher than the threshold, means it is stronger as compared to the threshold. And you have infra threshold values, which means the light is dimmer as compared to the threshold value.